Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandria. Thank you for tuning into this video because this one is super special. If you can't tell, I have done something extremely different to my hair. And if you guys are interested in that, then just keep on watching the video. Okay, so cat's out of the bag. I have locks in my hair right now, and it was kind of like spur of the moment, last minute, kind of, didn't know what I wanted to do, kind of did know what I wanted to do, but just was scared to take that leap of like, okay, I'm gonna do it and it is what it is. But no, I finally did it. So last weekend I drove all the way up to LA to get my locks done, and I feel like it was one of the best decisions that I've made in a long time. So for me, I wanted something that was less maintenance than having the natural curly hair, because that comes with a lot of combing and detangling and moisturizing, and it's just a whole entire process when you have natural curly hair. And I wanted something less maintenance, so it was either cut my hair or it was either get locks. And cutting is just as about the same maintenance, because you have to go to the salon to get your hair cut like every 2 weeks. If you want it to look good, every 2 weeks you gotta go get your hair cut. But locks, it's like, okay, once a month, every 2 months, I gotta go get my hair retwisted. But in between time, I'll still look good. All I gotta do is slap some edge control on, put it in a little ponytail, and I'm good to go. So best decision that I made. So if you guys look over here, this is what my hair looked like before. Completely detangled, up into a couple different sections. Maybe it was like 4 different sections. And I was like, okay, we went up to LA, and here is everything that he did. The guy that did my hair, his name is Eric. And when I tell you Eric blessed my head, so let me just, break this down real quick. Normally I have very thick hair, very thick, coarse, curly hair. And I was down to about bra strap length when I initially, had my hair in its natural state. When I get braids, like any type of box braids, individual braids, as, similar to locks, it'll take about 7 to 8 hours, or go more if it's not 2 people working on my head, because it's so thick, it's so long. It's really something to, you got to get through. You got to work hard to get through this hair. And when I tell you, this man took 5 hours to lock my hair and then style it all nice and cute, I was amazed, without it being rushed. He wasn't rushing. He took his time. He made sure I was okay. Totally worth the drive that I had to take to go up there. So I was coming down from San Diego all the way to LA. It was about an hour and 30 minutes. Worth it. Completely worth it. So here is what, it was looking out throughout the stages. Very neat parts, very, already tight, locked. And, I am completely amazed and so blessed that this man hooked me up the way that he did. I will have his Instagram link down below, and here is a quick little snippet of what, all the work that he's done so far. Back to you guys to show you what a week with locks is looking like. So it looks a little frizzy already, and he already told me frizziness is what you're trying to get so that it can lock up. And I have some of these little ends right here, if you can see these little ends, and that's probably just from like the straighter section that I had right here. Because if I look in the back, it's not this one. But if you look in the back, it's nice and neat hair, and I love it. Now, what I can't wait for is the length, because I was at bra strap length originally. And when, still when I tug it, it's, kind of a little bit past the collarbone. But I feel lucky because, most people, when they're starting their locks, they have like maybe an inch of hair. And I got, thank God I didn't cut it, because I still have some length to do a couple of styles, or just even, have it flowing free like this. And I love it. It's been the best thing ever this past couple of weeks, especially when I have to go to work, to wake up and not have to do anything to my hair. Like, yeah, I could put a little edge control on here. I haven't did that just yet, but it's like the frizzy, the looseness, it's still natural. I still look good. Like, I just feel this was the change that I needed, and I'm so glad that, I took that next step and was like, okay, yes, you need to do this. You're gonna love it. You're kind of nervous, and it's okay to be nervous, because, change is nerve-wracking, and, it's something different, and you got to step out of your comfort zone. And one of my goals for 2021 was to just step out of my comfort zone, do something different, be different. And I'm glad that I took that leap of faith, because I feel good. I look even better. So yes, stay tuned for these videos. I'm going to upload once a month in regards to my lock journey. I would love it for you guys to tag along to see how, my hair transforms, gets a little more thicker, how I style it, how I'm retwisting. You guys will be in for a treat. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.